am stoked on this. So let's get it open and see what we got inside here. I actually thought it would be coming in like a crate or something. Not a big box like this, but it's all cardboard in here. Oh my goodness. Register today and receive a free Tremec shift ball. Sweet. All right, it looks like there is quite a bit of cardboard dust in here. I can't believe I have one of these. I went back and forth on what I was gonna get for this car. I didn't know exactly what I was gonna get. Look at that. And I thought about a T56, but T56 was just too expensive. Man, look at all this cardboard dust in here. All right. Boy, this thing is looking good. Looking good. Oh man, that is so sick, dude. Aside from the cardboard dust that is all over this thing though. But we got this rubber thing in here. Get some compressed air. I'll just blow it all off and it'll be all good. Look at all the splines on that thing. Very different from, oh, there's a little bit of rust there. Looks like this one's been hanging out for a bit. The tip of this is drilled hollow. Interesting. So I ordered the Chevy one, which was the 5009. Yeah, TCET 5009, it says right here on the tag. Right above that it says TR3550-12. There's a -12 right there. Tremec. Look at that. Let's turn her around. There's like a little, looks like a bar goes in there or something. I don't know what that is. Is that for different speed sensor? Mechanical one maybe? No. I have no idea what that's for, but it looks like it turns left and right. I'll have to read the manual, I suppose. Man, I cannot wait to get this thing put in the car. Oh, maybe I can't shift it. Is it in neutral? Ooh. Oh my gosh, those shifts are positive. That feels good. Okay, third and fourth are easy to get. Oh. So this rubber boot's probably keeping it from spinning, which is fine. But it goes into, I think that's fourth and third. Well, it doesn't go into them anymore. So I don't understand, in neutral it should be spinning free in here. Yeah, this is neutral. It should be free spinning. Interesting. I'm gonna have to figure that out. So if I go back into neutral, which this is neutral, input shaft doesn't spin. So the way you're supposed to fix that is you're supposed to take friction plate, this right here, go stick it on the end of there, and then you yank it back and forth really hard until it moves. So we're gonna put a pair of gloves on, grab that friction plate, and give it a shot. Okay, I don't know if those nitrile, black nitrile gloves have any oil on them. So we're just gonna use a couple shop rags, see if we can't get it done that way. So I don't have anybody to hold the transmission in place for me, but oh, that stuff's on there nice and good. Oh, there it is. Haha. That's pretty easy. Okay, so must have been stood up on his edge during shipping, but that's how easy it is to unstick one of those things. Not bad. Cool. They definitely stored this transmission up on its end, probably the tail shaft end, because when I went to get this thing out, it was not in there like that. It was in there like that. It was just rammed in there. And I don't want to show you guys how I got it out because it will be some cringe-worthy plier action, and I don't think anybody wants to see that. I also counted up the splines on the output shaft of the transmission just to make sure. It's 31 splines. So that's it for this video. Trying to keep this one really short and just do an unboxing of the transmission. I have all of the other parts that I'm using for the swap. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video on those next. I figured I could put together a couple of these while I'm still waiting on the bell housing. I contacted Speedway Motors and they told me that they got a hold of Holly Performance, who owns QuickTime bell housings now, and they said they were going to be shipping it within the next week. Well, I got a confirmation, I think on Friday or Saturday, that the bell housing was shipped. So it's just a matter of time before it gets here, probably sometime next week, and then I'll get to installing the transmission, finishing everything on this checklist. The bell housing is the last thing I'm waiting for, so that'll be the next video after these unboxings, will be the dial indicating of the bell housing and getting started on finishing up the transmission install. Well, getting started on the transmission install. So I got a whole big old table full of parts over there that I'm going to unbox in the next video. If you're enjoying the videos, please subscribe. We're up over 400 now. I think it's 405. So the subscriptions just keep going up and up. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. So just as an aside, I came out here to film the outro for this video, and as I was walking by, took a look down in the suspension, and I was thinking about this shock and how I was going to move these mounts and everything, and I got to looking at this right here, this ball joint, and I was like, you know what? It's like, I wonder, what do I have to tighten that down with? Because I don't think I have anything that big. And then it occurred to me that when I did the fan for the Hummer, I had to buy this fan clutch wrench in order to do that. And I was thinking to myself, you know what? Those look like a pretty similar size. And I came over here, and wouldn't you know it, the 48 millimeter side of this fits perfectly that ball joint. So I got to use this wrench to tighten it down, which I hadn't completely tightened it down before. So that's good to know.